everybody, welcome to my health and happiness channel. So my sister and I, we are at a Floral Escape here in Queens, New York. A floral art installation, so come here if you can, and it'll be here all the way until November. There are hay rides here, there's a pumpkin patch over here. It literally is an Instagram oasis and heaven. Below in the description you will find my blog so that you can find out hours of operation, cost of the Floral Escape, and what else you can do if you go there. Check out my travel planner below, which I created, that can be found on Amazon to help you plan a trip.